Hi friends, I am Mana. Welcome to Movie Shuvi again. Pava Kadigal is released on Netflix, and guys, it is so well made that the brutal crimes in it will make you sick, disgusted on one hand. On the other hand, you will appreciate the four directors who tried to show the reality of our society. What was most disturbing to me was personally the fact that these insane, violent acts are the result of superficial patriarchal society and fake honor. In this video guys, I will try to explain you why you should see this anthology and also the brief about the four stories without any spoilers. So see this video till the end and do subscribe to the channel. It is a huge effort in making these sensible videos for you guys. Pava Kadigal is actually a set of 4 short Tamil stories now also available in Hindi on Netflix that shows the real face of our society. How artificial we are, that is how we prioritize, let's say, caste, religion or honor over our loved ones itself. Absolutely ridiculous guys to see all these 4 stories, and one feels pathetic, but that's a win for a director. The directors and the actors have actually made it so real and heartfelt that you will feel the pain and appreciate the director's vision at the same time. And many viewers, I'm sure, will try to do something about the brutality and the norms that are shown with respect to the age-old societal norms, and they will try to bring in a change. So let's talk about the 7 reasons to see this movie, and then I will briefly talk about the 4 stories. So first of all guys, this is a very unusual storytelling. The idea of family as a safe place is just thrown out of the window. 4 compelling stories in which the obsession of honor actually overshadows the humanity within the family itself. Secondly, the thought-provoking mirror of the society. The stories are short and crisp, which engages you a lot and gives you no time for thinking, which is portrayed by a very fast screenplay that just triggers very strong emotions like hatred, disgust, fear, and sometimes even love. Thirdly, everyone is a very natural actor here. Societal issues are real and no artificial acts can really touch the heart. Here, every actor has just blended into the story seamlessly and we actually start living their lives. Fourthly, I would say the patriarchy and its pitfall is clearly shown. It has been a problem for centuries while Western countries are trying to address it. I'm not saying that they've addressed it fully, but India is decades behind. Fifth reason that you see this movie is the dual face of the people. Who they actually are isn't reflected with their nicely built public image. We have seen enough politicians now and can easily relate to the superficial faces. Sixth thing that is clearly shown is the condition of the woman, even if they are highly successful, shown in the second story, which I will talk about shortly in this video, are still under the mercy of the society to really blend and take a rightful place. Lastly, I would say that it is disturbing to see how people are unapologetic about their crimes in the name of caste and religion, etc., and leaves humanity behind. This is how they justify even the honor killing. Now, using these strong 7 reasons, I will now talk about the 4 stories in brief. Do see this movie and tell me which story really touched your heart and connected with you. The first story is called The Thangam, My Precious in English, is directed by Sudha Kongara, set up in the village of Kovai in 1980s. It is about a transgender man who secretly loves a straight friend and wants to marry him after a change of sex operation. He seeks dignity and genuine love. Now, will he get it even from his closest friend is something that you should see in the first part of this movie. The second story is actually directed by Vignesh Sivan called The Love Panna Utranam. Please excuse my accent. Let Them Love in English. It is a story of a politician with twin daughters. He is actually considered to be a very liberal man and gets even the intercaste marriages done for others. But how will he respond to his daughters' choices to choose his life partner? You have to see this in the second part of the movie. The third story is Van Magal, Daughter of the Skies in English. It is written and directed by Gautam Vasudeva Menon. It is the most disturbing story for me, at least guys, when an unfortunate incident happens with a girl child who is just 12 years of age, and now how the family wants to just save their superficial pride. The role of the family and specifically the mother is something that you should see in the third story for sure. The fourth story is directed by Vetri Maran called Or Iravu the Night. It is about a man who has just disowned his daughter after she marries a boy from another caste. He later has a change of heart and calls his pregnant daughter to his house for baby showers. Now, has he truly changed his mindset, or it is just a setup for something evil for his own daughter? That you have to see in the fourth part of this movie. So I hope guys you like this detailed explanation and review, and if you really loved it, please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.